our video got 75 million views. So if you want to create this kind of video, so this video for you, I will show you step-by-step tutorials how we can generate the image and finally how we can generate the video, okay, from skip to video. So cat cooking kitchen soup, okay, 562k views. Animal warning signal to humans, okay, here you can see 50 million views. Cute beautiful birds, AI nature, okay, 8.5 million views. So this kind of videos are generating huge number of views, and maybe you are wondered to create, how to create and how to make money. So this kind of video also generating the thousands of dollars, okay. So if you check this YouTube channel, so let's check out this YouTube channel. Like, so if you search on AI animal shorts, so you will find this kind of videos, okay. Also you can search on AI funny videos or AI animal funny videos, okay, or you will search one. So also you can search one funny cat videos, so you will find this kind of videos, okay. So it's completely AI generated, as you know that, okay. So this one also you can generate the video. Also this one, here you can see child AI animal, okay. So that's amazing, okay, the cutest little animal, fantastic. So let's check out the YouTube channel if they are really making money or not, okay. So this is the channel name, Adventure of SRS, okay. 694 videos over there, and they got 241k subscribers, okay. And you will find different kind of animal related videos over there. So if you want to grow your YouTube channel and if you want to monetize this YouTube channel, definitely you have to find this kind of niche, and definitely you have to find the videos over there, okay. So let's copy and create the video first of all. So let's check out their analytics, okay. So Adventure of SRS from India, okay. You can see this is the number of subscribers and the total views last 28 days. That's amazing. 124 million views, subscriber 97, and estimate revenue, you can see 1.2k to 5k. So last 28 days they are generating this kind of amount of money. And if you scroll down, if you'll see each and every single day they are just making money, okay. You can see 5/20/2025 Tuesday, total substance total, and the views change on the views total, and also the revenue generated between 38 to 155. So this is called AI automation. This is called YouTube automation. Each and every single day while you're sleeping, so your video, your channel will making money. So the highest number of making money, here you can see this day 5/26/2025, 62 to between $248. That's amazing. And scroll down, you will find the last 28 days they are just generating this number of money. It's real money, and they are growing really good. You can see the changes between. So this is called view stats. You will find different kind of YouTube channels analytics over there, okay. So it's time to create our video. So first of all, so what you need, you have to create this kind of funny images, okay. So funny cat images, okay. So step number one, you have to capture the image, okay. So let's grab this funny image and then save, okay. And now open ChatGPT. So I need to create same image. Now give me the exact image prompt. So here we go, this is the prompt over here. Also you will find the different styles over here. And let's go back to leonardo.ai. So it's free, so you can create free images, okay. So I will show you how. And paste the prompt over here, okay, and select the model, prompt, enhance, auto, dynamic style, okay. And also you can select the image dimension for TikTok. So once you select the each and everything, it's time to generate the image over here, okay. So let's click on generate. Perfect, here we go. So our image is ready. That's fantastic, okay. So let's download the image over here. All right, so let's open another tools. It's called flashscript.com, and here we go, popular tools. It's AI image to video. So click on that, AI image to video. So our image is uploaded. Mood is standard, duration 5 seconds is perfect, and it's time to write the prompt. All right, and click on generate. Alright, so our video is ready, so let's download the video. Alright guys, our video is ready, and this is the last one, number 4 video. It's already generated and already downloaded over here. You can see 1 2 3 4. This is the 4 video software. That's been video editing software. It could be CapCut or Filmora or any software like Camtasia. And I will show you how we can add the video footage and how we can add the music. Okay. Alright, so I'm using Camtasia. Okay, so let's upload all the file. That's been the 4 video file. Okay, so video length is 20 seconds. That's mean 5 seconds is, so I think something is missing. That's mean we have to add some music over here. So how we can find the music? That's been copyright free music. So that's why you have to go to your YouTube audio library and you can search like a cat. So search on cat funny and you will find a different mood, happy mood, and also you can play the music. Okay, so let's play the music. Okay, so if you don't like this, you can try another one, and if you like this, just click on here download. Also you can compression the audio, so drag and drop, so it will sound like a smooth sound and no ups and down. Okay, okay, so it's time to export the video. So click on export. So give a title like my luxury cat enjoying dinner. Okay, and then paste it into your description, and also you can add some hashtag over there and select no, it's not for kids, and definitely select it's a AI generated content. Okay, perfect. So cats AI stories, you can select some hashtags over there, sad cats stories. You can also publish, you can publish later, so select unlisted if you want to publish later. So click on save. So this is how you can produce AI content, AI viral content. Okay guys, so I'm just uploading this video first time in my YouTube channel, and I will show you the final analytics in the next video. That's been how many views I got, how many subscribers, how many hours. Okay, so that's really fun. So if you love this content, so don't forget to subscribe, and if you want to watch this kind of videos, so comment below, and see you in the next video. Have a good day.